Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is from the company Williams Lee. They have 394 reviews on Glassdoor with a 4.1 out of 5-star rating. This job is completely perfect for somebody who knows how to use like PDFs and work with document creation, Microsoft Word. We're going to dive all into it. Just know the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box if you want to do more research on the company or if you want to put that application in. But Williams Lee is hiring a remote document production associate. Now, this is remote for the United States. They're looking for somebody to work Monday to Friday, 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. So this is going to be a second shift position. They're paying it $19 an hour base pay, plus you get a 10% shift differential. They offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. But they are looking for somebody to do document review and preparation. This is going to include creating spreadsheets, charts, graphs, mail merges, tables, presentations, and any other documents to support their client's brand and track all the progress. You'll create and edit legal documents to client specifications using the applicable software. You'll transcribe tape, scan, clean documents, and convert documents to and from different files. So maybe you have a Word document that needs to be converted into a PDF or a PDF that needs to be converted into a Word document. You'll recover and restore documents that have been corrupted. You'll handle sensitive and confidential documents and information. And of course, you'll communicate with your managers and supervisors on deadlines and job issues. Now, if this sounds like something that's perfect for you, they don't require any kind of college degree, just somebody who has a high school diploma or GED, someone who has advanced knowledge of Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, including experience formatting documents with different styles. You've got to be able to work in a fast-paced team environment and have great attention to detail. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.